Hi, Mrs. Cortez's students. This is Mrs. Daniel, and I'll be taking over while Mrs. Cortez is on maternity leave, which, by the way, she's on maternity leave all the way through this school year, so she will not be returning until next year. So I'm going to be your distance learning teacher, and that allows me to provide you learning opportunities, which are assignments to practice, and then I will be the one that goes through and helps you and gives you feedback and tell you what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong. I do have a couple suggestions for you. Watch the videos, watch all the videos, read through the notes that I have posted. You are more than welcome to copy them into your own journal if you want to, or you can just kind of read over them. And then I want you to try all the assignments. Okay, there are answer keys so that you can check your assignments. If you are getting them wrong and you don't know what you're doing, you don't know how to make it correct, that's when you can contact me, and there's a couple ways you can contact me. One of the ways is just to simply email me, and you can see my email address up here in the corner. It says adanny1@neisd.net. A faster way might be to download this Google Hangouts. It's a free app, and you can start a conversation with me. All you do is go here to new conversation and you press the plus sign. And then over here, you would type my email address. I am myself. So I'm going to type in Miss Ojeda so you can see what it looks like if I wanted to call or text a friend. And you can see when I start typing her email, it pops up. So I'm going to click on Miss Ojeda. And then I have a couple options. One option is here, and I can start a video call, and I can call her, and we can do like a FaceTime. The other option is down at the bottom, and unfortunately you can't see it, but you just send like a text message, and then I can answer you via text message as well. Okay, so again, you can email me, you can Google Hangout me, and in an emergency, we can do like a video call. I do have another favor. If you know of somebody that has internet that's not in one of our Google Classrooms yet, if you could text them and ask them to please join our Google Classroom. It's going to be the easiest and fastest way to get your learning opportunities, in other words, your practice. If you do know people that are unable to do that, could you let them know to go by Garner Middle School on Monday, March 23rd from 7:30 to 4 o'clock and pick up the paper assignments? Okay, at least they have something to practice. They do have some answer keys, but there's not as much interaction, but at least they're getting something to work on. So again, I'm counting on you to text your friends and let them know they should get into the Google Classroom. But if they can't get into the Google Classroom, let them know to go by the school on Monday, March 23rd and pick up their paper copies. Please know that while Mrs. Cortez is out with her beautiful baby, I am here for you and I am willing to help. I appreciate you guys. Thanks.